Welcome to my channel. I'm Hilda here. Today I'm going to show you patchwork on a bottle using scrap paper. In one of my previous videos I had shown you patchwork on a bottle using fabric. You can check the I button above for this video. You must have seen quilt covers with patchwork. Something like that I want to create in the bottle today. For this project I'll be using this bottle. These are the scrap papers which I have with me. I'll be cutting these scrap papers into squares. You can cut them in squares or rectangles of any size. I have cut quite a few and I've kept ready. In this patchwork, I used the fabric and I overlapped. Here, I'm going to put the scrap paper just close to each other. Now I'll show you a trick to stick this paper. The paper is absolutely dry now. I left it overnight for it to dry. So now the paper is absolutely set. So now what we can do is we can add some twine around this portion, as it will become a little difficult to stick the paper on the curve here. But I'm going for paper here. Now I'll be overlapping this piece a bit on this because of the curve portion, like this. So what we can do is, if the paper doesn't stick properly on the curve here, just take a back of the brush and just hold the paper and just roll the brush like this. Now for this area, I've cut the paper a little small so it fits in here. For this area, I will put the twine. If you find any piece coming out, you just take some glue and just with the back of the brush gently press it like this. The glue which I applied is now absolutely dry. Now we need to varnish the bottle. Now you can use any of this varnish. This is matte and this is gloss. I'm going to use gloss for this project. And after the varnish dries, then I'm going to embellish the bottle. The varnish is absolutely dry now and you can see that it has a beautiful shine on the bottle. I've put little twine at the bottom as well. I have two ways to embellish this. So this is what I wanted to show you today. I hope you enjoyed my video. Do tune in again. I'll come back with another interesting video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and I love you all.